good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, depending on the time zone. On this episode, we have to talk about postpartum care. Postpartum care, known as Omubo. Other tribes know what they are calling it. There is Yoruba, Akwa, ibom, and less of it. What is Omubo? Omubo is customary light of a mother to discharge her duty. It's the light of your mother, and it's also customary for her to perform her duty. On this note, before I will go further, my name is Mazi-UC. Follow me on my page and share this video. Omubo is starting when the daughter of a mother gives birth. As he gives birth, that's where her mother will preparing at least 2 days before her daughter gives birth. She already appear on the son-in-law's residence. So her mother will try to give her first aid treatment, which is a miracle. Those who are mother know it's not everything I will call here and talk. So, but before Omubo will start, before her daughter maybe getting to 9 months, her mother will try to provide whatever they needed over there. Like, it will go and buy Oda, buy Ozoza, buy Okazi, buy palm oil, and also buy a catfish. Catfish, as well, if a person who have money can buy a mangara before she can embark on this journey. So it's the responsibility of a mother to do Omubo. What of if the mother is not anymore? The person who can represent a mother is the first female child in that family. You know what I mean? Ada Yagakwa Omubo. Even if that first male have married, it's her responsibility to do a needful. So that's why during Omubo, the first person that take care of her daughter is her mother. Obunne gabonye gama nwa ya nwaanyị mmiri ọkụ n'afọ. And is also is a willingly and a welcome for a daughter to invite her mother to Omubo, except if there is a dispute. Quote me anywhere, except if there is a dispute. Or birthright of a mother towards her daughter. All responsibility, yeah. That's why na bua nwa nwa ofu nne na akwado Omubo ngwa 2 days interval ka o nwee ike ịma ya mmiri ọkụ